Have you ever found yourself gazing at the night sky, wondering about the twinkling expanse stretched out before you? That mesmerizing spectacle, my friends, is our cosmic neighborhood, the Milky Way galaxy. First, let's delve into the size and structure of our galactic home. Imagine a cosmic whirlpool, a barred spiral galaxy measuring an impressive 100,000 light-years in diameter and about 1,000 light-years thick. This galactic pinwheel is composed of several spiral arms coiling around a bar-shaped core region. Our Milky Way is no desolate space, it's teeming with celestial bodies. Astronomers estimate it to be the home of between 100 to 400 billion stars, each potentially orbited by at least as many planets. That's billions upon billions of cosmic bodies, each with their own stories to tell. The heart of our galaxy holds a dark secret, Sagittarius A*. This isn't a cryptic message, but the name given to the supermassive black hole residing in the core of the Milky Way. Despite being unseen, its presence is felt throughout our galaxy. As for us, we're not at the center of this cosmic spectacle. Our solar system is tucked away in one of the spiral arms, known as the Orion Arm, about 26,000 light-years from the galactic center. We're cosmic suburbanites living on the outskirts of the Milky Way. Now, what we see of our galaxy is just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. The Milky Way, like other galaxies, is shrouded in a halo of dark matter. This elusive substance doesn't interact with light, rendering it invisible. However, its gravitational effects on visible matter reveal its presence, adding another layer of mystery to our understanding of the universe. Our galaxy isn't a static fixture in the cosmos. Along with the local group, the Milky Way is racing through space at approximately 600 kilometers per second relative to the cosmic microwave background radiation. We're on a cosmic journey with the universe unfolding around us. In studying the Milky Way, we gain perspective on our place in the cosmos and open the door to countless scientific discoveries. Our galaxy, with its vastness and intricate complexity, serves as a humbling and inspiring reminder of the grandeur of the universe. So the next time you find yourself under a starry sky, remember you're not just looking at stars, you're peering into our galactic home, the magnificent